Hello everyone, this is Robin Wang from IWISS Tools. Today I will show you how to use our new type angled PEX crimping tools. This tools meets F1807 American standard and use for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch and 1 inch pipe fittings. Now we can try the smallest 1/2 inch pipes. Our screwdriver put here. This is our PEX pipe cutter. It's very popular on Amazon and Walmart. We purchased this pipe fitting from Switch and they sell on Home Depot. This is for 1/2 inch. The gauge from for 4 size. Biggest is 1 inch. It's okay. Now we can try the second one, 3/4 inch. This crimping tools is very easy. Change the die sets. These tools with angle handles, so we can pull the button and crimp it. It's very easy to use for 3/4 and 1 inch. Crimp first time and open, crimp the second time. It's complete. Okay. Now try this 1 inch. Our 1 inch die set's already on the crimping tools. It's very smooth and sharp, so we can try it now. if you are a plumber, I think you will be think 1 inch it's very difficult to crimp it. And our new crimping tools with the different handle and one time and crimp second time, it's already complete. Very easy. So it's okay. We can put the screwdriver in the handle. Never lose the screwdriver. Thank you for your watching. If you have any question, you can send us our email to sales@iwis.com or visit our website. We have warehouse in America, Canada, so you can purchase on Amazon, Walmart, or crimpingtools.com. It's very easy to find our crimping tools. Have a nice day.